I am Jephte Nelson. I am muscle building specialist for skinny men. I joined this challenge because I wanted to elevate my business, have a better understanding about storytelling, content creation, and be able to be more comfortable and knowledgeable about my business. And what I have learned is there is a lot to be done, but it's also part of the process. Keep showing every day and do a little bit on the day to day consistently, then eventually it won't become like work. And I would absolutely recommend somebody to join this challenge because of the amount of knowledge you'll get. Uh, it's a challenge, absolutely. That's why it's called a challenge. But I feel like over time is very doable because it's like anything you're not used to is gonna be like uncomfortable. So, but hey, I'm very grateful that I did join, and I would definitely recommend somebody to join it.